The completely reinvented 2021 Chevrolet Captiva arrives to the Middle East. Following its regional debut at the 2019 Dubai International Motor Show, the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Captiva has finally arrived in the Middle East. Adding a new dynamic to the brand's award-winning lineup, Chevrolet Captiva is set to become the ideal SUV for the region's busy families. A big car for a small price, with 7 comfortable seats and large cargo space, Chevrolet Captiva is one of the most affordable in its segment. Completely reinvented for 2020, Chevrolet Captiva defies expectations of what an SUV should be. Building on Chevrolet's global SUV experience, Chevrolet Captiva delivers on the brand's 3S concept of the modern SUV: stylish, spacious, and smart. Farah Amhaz, head of brand Chevrolet Middle East, commented, "The wait for the all-new Chevrolet Captiva is finally over." The reception following the car's regional debut last November got us very excited, and we are really looking forward to seeing it hit the roads, here in the Middle East. With its cutting-edge styling, enviable interior space with up to 7 seats, high fuel efficiency and smart technologies, Chevrolet Captiva is a perfect match for the region's busy families looking for the ultimate companion at an affordable price. We are confident all-new Captiva will quickly become a firm favorite in our lineup. Design. The all-new Chevrolet Captiva's exterior has been redesigned, featuring modern, thoughtful touches such as a new grille design and Chevrolet badge, offering striking looks and enhanced driving experience by better dissipating engine heat. Equipped with halogen headlamps with LED daytime running lights, DRL, integrated with turn signal indicators as well as rear spoiler with integrated third rear brake LED light, Chevrolet Captiva optimizes driver visibility. Whether in the 5 or 7-seater iteration, Chevrolet Captiva offers a spacious and comfortable cabin design, making every moment on board enjoyable for the whole family. The premier trim comes with a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 6-way power-adjustable driver seat and a 7-inch TFT digital color driver information screen designed to be easy to see while on the road. Understanding the evolving needs of today's family, all 7 seats in the Chevrolet Captiva are easy to access. The second-row seating can slide to expand legroom and offers 60/40 split and tumble forward for easy access to third row, upon customer request. Similarly, the third-row seating can be made 50/50 split and fold flat. Chevrolet Captiva comes in 5 color options: Aurora Silver, Starry Twinkle Black, Earth Brown, Candy White, and Glaze Red. Performance. Powered by a 1.5-liter petrol engine, inline 4-cylinder engine, a double overhead camshaft, DOHC, with dynamic variable valve timing, DVVT, and a fast response turbocharger, Chevrolet Captiva delivers a smooth and enjoyable drive. Offering excellent fuel efficiency of 13.4 km/L, drivers of the all-new Chevrolet Captiva will spend less time filling up on gas, and more time doing the things they love. Chevrolet Captiva comes equipped with a multi-points injection system, ensuring an exact quantity of fuel is delivered in each cylinder at the right time. To ensure every drive is relaxed and enjoyable, Chevrolet Captiva brings an automatic continuously variable transmission, CVT, with shift control that ensures smooth and efficient acceleration and deceleration. Driving through the city as well as parking are also made easier with Chevrolet Captiva's electric steering system. Technology. While Chevrolet Captiva scores high on looks and performance, its design is built to be safe and convenient as it comes equipped with technologies that make every moment in the car worthwhile. The 2021 Chevrolet Captiva is distinguished with a center-mounted 8-inch infotainment touchscreen, providing safer communication. Thoughtful touches available to all 7 seats include an array of entertainment options supported by devices via Bluetooth and USB connectivity. Chevrolet Captiva also has a multi-function steering wheel for operating cruise control, audio system, and receiving phone calls to make every drive seamless without compromising on safety. Chevrolet Captiva's safety features include anti-lock braking system, ABS, with electronic brake force distribution, EBD, brake assist, BA, traction control system, TCS, electronic stability control, ESC, and electronic parking brake, EPB, Premier only. Both driver and front passenger are protected by front airbags, across all trims, while LT and Premier trims have side airbags for the driver and front passenger. For enhanced convenience, both LT and Premier trims come with a push-start engine ignition as well as a keyless entry system. The rear-view camera also helps increase drivers' confidence while driving in narrow conditions, and the rear parking sensors across all trims and a front parking sensor on the Premier trim support drivers in a tight spot. With a host of active safety features and technologies to make the daily commute easier, Chevrolet Captiva offers an exceptional drive with space for everyone. Marking a new era for the nameplate in the Middle East, Chevrolet Captiva will be the perfect companion for the modern family who is constantly on the move. For more information on the price and for scheduling a test drive, customers are requested to contact their nearest Chevrolet dealership ahead of visiting the showroom.